My garden is a lovely place for me. It's big and beautiful. My mother and I grow different flowers here. We plant tulips, daffodils, daisies, and roses in our garden. There are a lot of fruit trees and berries in our garden. Raspberry and strawberry are my favorite. We also have different types of vegetables, such as pumpkins, tomatoes, and cucumbers. We like to take care of our garden. We water our plants and kill the weeds. I love doing the gardening. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you like it and subscribe to our channel.